त्रैलोक्य गीता चैप्टर 12 कृष्ण तत्व ज्ञान योगः association with knowledge of philosophy of Krishna
कर्मानुफलमायाते तस्मिन्नोर्ध्वनिवृत्तये या जीवेश्वरयो स्वैरं प्रवृत्तिर्बलवत्तमा. For good action, good fruit is granted. For bad action, bad fruit is granted. For the same action, fruits can be different based on the direction of the action. When human incarnation of God comes into the picture in life, the matter goes above pravrutti, which is called nivrutti. Relationship between God and soul comes under nivrutti, which is completely the soul's choice. Pravrutti or worldly life is mandatory, whereas nivrutti or spiritual life is totally left to the choice of the soul.